Welcome to the BSA Conservatory promo. This is the BSA Conservatory at BSA. We offer music, art, theater, and multimedia. This is the conservatory hallway. This is the Black History tree made by 8th graders Felicia, Alicia, and London. This tree holds all the interesting poems and details about legendary African Americans. This is the art classroom. All the art that you see is created by kids from K through 8th grade.
This is multimedia. We do editing and we record things and we take photos. These are connects. We use these to build things. Like we built a roller coaster, a car, a building, a truck, and a Ferris swing too.
This is the Theater Conservatory classroom, which is taught by Miss Kresge, a professional actor, whose job is to brighten the minds of students to become actors, directors, and anything in the film business by opening up their minds and showing what they can be without being afraid.
This is the Band Conservatory classroom, which is taught by professional artist Eddie Tabor. These are the music students who are part of the BSA marching band. These band students start off with no musical training at all, but in 2 years of time, they are learned to play like this.